Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Acura, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2004 Acura TL 3.2 liter. Right now the customer complaint is the car doesn't want to start. Once you let it sit for a while, it doesn't want to start like 2 or 3 times, but after that it just starts normally. So I let the car sit for an hour, and it did it to me like 2 times. When I try to start it, it doesn't want to start. I checked the battery is good. Oh, I can hear that grinding noise right there. Check the battery is good. I let it sit for an hour, try to crank it back. It does it to me 2 times. It doesn't want to start, like it's grinding like that. And after the second time, third, fourth, fifth, fifth, sixth time, it starts normally. Now it doesn't do it to me anymore. To get to the starter, the start is right here, right in the front, under the battery. So you're gonna take out the battery here, disconnect both negative, and then remove the battery tray so you can get access to the starter. You can see she just recently replaced the battery, so it's in good condition. Yeah, battery tray has 3 bolts, 1, 2, and under the tray the third one right here. And then after that you can get access to the starter. Disconnect the positive cable on the battery and the connector. This one you just pull it straight back, and the 2 17mm bolt, one on top, one on the bottom. I already took it out. It's kind of tight. There you go. My old one out. Here's my new one. That's the part number for the starter. So let me show you the part number again right there. This is Denso OEM, but just remanufactured. Now I got my new starter in already. Before you guys put the connector back, make sure you check it. Make sure there's no damage to the wire. The pin is not corroded. If it's good, you can plug it back. And then also check the battery cable too. Make sure it's not damaged or like crack or anything. If it's good, put it back. So I got everything put back already. Now just start the car. It should start up normally. Now I'm gonna start it. Sounds good. Let's try it again. So the whole job took me like 5 minutes to do. Take out, put back. It's pretty easy. So that's it for this car, guys. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.